everybody, it's Miss Rizzo. So today we are going to think about Julie Mehretu's work. We're going to layer some lines and shapes and colors. Pretty simple, but you can keep it as simple as you want or make it a little bit more complicated. I'm going to make it more complicated. So I have some drawing materials. You can use markers, pencils, colored pencils. I have a little bit of everything here in my studio. You also need a piece of paper. I have a small sketchbook right here. You can make this as big or as small as you want. And something with a straight edge. I didn't have a ruler on hand, so I'm using a little stencil because I can trace the straight edge of my stencil right here. You can use another piece of paper, a book, anything that has a straight edge for you to be able to make straight lines. So I'm going to start with just that, a few straight lines. I'm going to choose a few different colors of markers and draw some simple straight lines. First, I'm going to draw some horizontal lines. Now, horizontal lines go across the page from left to right. That is a horizontal line. A vertical line goes tall up and down the page. So I'm going to make a vertical line. This is a vertical line. And a diagonal line goes slanted from side to side, almost like you're going down a slide. Or like the lines you would make to make an X. So I'm going to keep layering my lines, my shapes, my colors, and I'm also going to start to add some other kinds of lines. If you notice, when you look really close at Julie Mehretu's work, there's so many different kinds of lines that she makes. It makes her work look really exciting and layered. So I'm going to make some wavy lines. I'm going to layer my wavy lines. I'm going to make a spiral. I wonder if you have ever made a spiral. A spiral is made like this. You start small, like you're going around in a circle, and then you get big, like a snail shell almost. So you're going to keep filling and filling and filling your page with lines of different colors. And as your lines overlap, you'll start to notice that there's some shapes. I'm putting a curved line. I'm putting another diagonal line. So what I mean by that is when my lines overlap over here, it made two little triangles. I'm going to do something interesting and fill in some of the shapes created by my lines. So between those two blue lines, now I've filled in a little triangle. If you noticed in the mural video, Julie Mehretu does this a lot. So she layers her lines, lots and lots of lines on top of each other, and then she finds little spots where she can fill in the shapes. Now I'm going to keep doing this after I end the video, and then the next slide will be my final product, and you can see what it looks like. And I hope you have a lot of fun doing this. I wish I could be with you face to face, and I wish I could meet all of you, but I think we're going to have some fun doing this virtually anyway. And please, please remember to turn your work in on Google Classroom so I can see your beautiful work and share it in the virtual classroom gallery. Thanks a lot, guys. Have fun.